How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? In this training demo, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how we can go ahead and quickly install and download Core Business Leads, which is a Chrome extension that allows you to go into Google and scrape only verified Google businesses, okay? So you can go in any niche, scrape all the information from the business and either download it directly into a CSV spreadsheet or use webhooks to automatically send that information somewhere else, either a CRM, either some kind of auto dialer, auto email responder, etc. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is go to the Chrome store, Google Chrome store. Once you're there at the Google Chrome store, type in Core Business Leads. You'll see this mock-up and the name Core Business Leads. Click on the extension, click Add to Chrome, click Add to Extension. You'll see it pop up here and then disappear. Once it goes away, click on the puzzle icon, find Core Business Leads, and hit on that little pin button on the right side of it. You'll see it up here. Okay. Now go ahead and click on it and go ahead and log in. Use your login credentials that you were provided. Click log in and you are there. Okay. So this is the main screen that you'll see once you've successfully logged in. In the next training video, I'll show you guys how to go ahead and automatically download the information into a CSV. And I'll also show you guys in the following video how to use webhooks to send that information over to your CRM. I'll see you guys in the next training video.